Hello? Now it's time for the remainder theorem. This theorem allows us to solve for the remainder when dividing two functions without even using the long division or even the synthetic division. Let's try to consider here two functions, f of x being x to the power 4 plus 2x cubed minus 12x squared minus 11x plus 6 to be divided by x plus 2. In order for us to use the remainder theorem, we are going to look for the correct c coefficient that should be substituted in our dividend. Again, our dividend is in this manner. Our f of x will be needing the entire function here. You have x to the power of 4 plus 2x cubed minus 12x squared. We also have minus 11x, and we have plus 6. We will be dividing this by a certain g of x being x plus 2. So to use our remainder theorem, we will be substituting here a certain constant, and in short, we are going to substitute that constant to all the values of x here, and whatever be the result, that is the remainder. But that said constant must be taken from our divisor. In this structure, x minus c. Since our divisor is not in subtraction, we can restructure this in this manner. X minus negative 2. So that it would pattern to x minus c. And this would mean the intended c is negative 2, not positive 2. Please take note of that. This is the value we are going to substitute here. In short, if we are going to substitute negative 2 on all values of x, and when simplified, whatever be the result, that is the remainder when this function is divided by x plus 2. So this will be like this. You have negative 2 to the power of 4. Please do not forget to enclose it in parentheses so that we could come up with the correct solution. We also have here negative 2 cubed. Then we have here minus 12 times negative 2 squared minus 11 times negative 2, and we have plus 6. Let's do it step by step. Negative 2 to the power of 4, that's 16, and since it's negative, so it becomes positive 16 since the exponent is even. Here, the exponent is actually odd, so you have here plus 2 times the cube of negative 2 is negative 8. This here, let's start with squaring first. You have 12 times the square of negative 2 being 4. You have negative times negative, so you have positive 22. And you have here plus 6. Let's move further. You have here 16 minus 16. In this sense, this is already 0, but still, let's continue. Negative 12 times 4 rather. You have minus 48. And you have here plus 28, right? So the result here, again, this is 0. This will be negative 20. So negative 48 plus 28, you have negative 20. This result is the remainder according to the remainder theorem. When we divide f of x by g of x with these functions here, given that the value of c that we have solved earlier is negative 2. Please verify this using synthetic division and see if the result is just the same. That's all for today. You're dismissed. And please do not forget to subscribe now.